Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tutelar. Let me show you to fix blur image by tricky way. Usually we use high pass filter to sharpen image. But I will show you another tricky and easier way. It is more effective than high pass filter. It has never been easier to use. New features are rolling out regularly to simplify steps and save time. So, let's get started. Press Ctrl plus J 2 times to make 2 duplicate layers. Name the top layer Vivid, and name the low layer Simple. Select an active Vivid layer. Go to Filter and click on Convert for Smart Filters. Then press Ctrl plus I to invert this image layer. Change blend mode from normal to vivid light. At this point image is totally grayed out. Go to Filter, Blur, then click on Gaussian Blur. Make radius value according to image. In my case radius 7 pixels is better for radius. Then press OK. Select top and below layer. Press Ctrl plus G to make group. Change blend mode for group to overlay. Look at image now. This is image before then after. Let me zoom in to show you before blur image. Then after applying effects and make it sharp. This effect has more details on image even inside eyes. Name this group Vivid. Let me show you difference between high pass and this tricky effect. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to desaturate image. Then go to Filter and click on Convert for Smart Filters. Change blend mode from normal to overlay. Again go to Filter. Other than click on High Pass. Set same value 7 pixels for radius, then hit OK. Press Ctrl plus G to create group. Name this group High Pass. Here is image we sharpen with high pass filter. And then watch image with Vivid. Just see the difference in both effects. There are less details inside eyes with high pass. And less details on skin as well. And here is Vivid tricky way effect. It is sharpening on skin then high pass. So, you can try this trick and look at difference. I don't mean to say high pass is not effective filter. But in this case high pass has less details than this tricky way. I hope you like this tricky way to sharpen image. Here is flashback. First make 2 duplicate layers by Ctrl+J. Invert top layer by pressing Ctrl+I. Then apply Gaussian blur according to image. Change blend mode from normal to vivid light. Select both layers and make group. You will find big difference. Just see before and then after. I hope you like this tricky way. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.